Welcome back to Hoochos, another harvest video. This one actually includes a little bit of a problem that I'm facing at the moment with the beans as well, but that problem is from them doing so well. I can't have imagined the bean wall turning out this well. It's it's a beautiful sight, and there are so many beans on the wall. And I don't even know what I'm going to do with them all. I can't eat this many beans, but lucky everyone around me because they're going to get free beans. It's blown my mind. All expectation. I just, it worked. So now it's time to harvest because a lot of the beans have reached their full growth and so have their roots. I may have been a little bit greedy when I planted these beans, and I filled up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I filled up 12 holes with beans, and what has that done? It's layered roots upon roots upon roots, and I've ended up with this. This is a ticking time bomb, and this isn't even the worst hole. This is the stuff nightmares are made of. Look at that. I'm about 1.5 centimeters from losing nutrient out the side there, and that much growth could probably happen within a few days. So what am I going to do? Well, today I'm going to pick some beans. And once that becomes a problem, I may just have to kill some beans. It's all my fault though. If I wasn't so greedy, I could have had 1, 2, 3, 4 plants in there, and they probably would have given me enough canopy and fed me an appropriate amount of beans. But because I put so many in the one row, their large root masses just piled on top of each other, and in the center where all of the beans are growing up and down, that's where I'm having my problems with the excessive amounts of roots. Beans do have large root systems, so I shouldn't have put so many in the same NFT channel. Anyway, let's pick some beans. Need another bolt.
Condition,
a go at that. That's a bloody lot of bloody lot of beans. A bloody big bean haul. Oh no. That's how you harvest a ton of hydroponic beans. Oh, that's a good harvest. Have a go at that. I'm never gonna eat that many beans. I'll give it a go though. Alright. Thanks for watching this episode of Hoochos. And I guess I'll see you next time. Right. Bean. Bean. Bean.